wishing you all well by the grace of God. We have to be thankful to God to keeping us well. Okay, the last section I thought the lesson 2 in social studies about we need water. We need water. In that topic, we have seen the 4 subtopics. Can you remember? Yes, some are recalling. Very good. The uses of water. Where do we get water from? Water in our home. Saving water. In these 4 topics, already we have learned 2 topics in the first section. Uses of water and where do we get water from. Uses of water, what we learn? How the water useful to us? To drink, to cook, to take bath, to wash clothes, and to clean our house, to grow crops, to put up the fires. This we learned in the last week. And the next topic, where do we get water from? Water, where we get, or which is the main source of water? Rain is the main source of water, we studied. The rain, water collects, and what are the rain, water sources formed? Pond, lakes, river, well, sea and ocean. This we studied in the last class. Now today we are going to see the next topic, water in our homes. Water in our home. When I ask you, at home, how do we get water? What you all say? We'll get water from the tap. Or you will say, we are getting water from the tank. Okay, to tank, how the water goes? Is the water goes to the tank where the water is collected, lake, pond, river. This water straight away we cannot drink. So what they are doing, they clean the water and they supply it to our home. So we fill it in the tank. From the tank we are getting the water to the tap, through the tap, from our home. Okay, now we will see the water, how we get to our home. We'll read and once we'll study this one. Water in our home. Water from ponds, lakes and rivers. Read out. Water from ponds, lakes and rivers may not be cleaned. So this water is cleaned and then supplied to our homes. We must boil or filter. We must boil or filter water before we drink it. Before we drink it. See here, we have to boil or filter because it is not cleaned. Before we drink, we should do this all the things. Water, how we all, what are the things we are having at home? See the children see at home many will have the hand pumps to take water. See the 2 children is taking water to their home. But nowadays our homes and all, we are not having like this pump. Straight away from the bore water we are taking and we are filtering the water and drinking. Now see here the filter. We can filter the water in this like this filter. Inside there will be a candle. Inside there will be a filtering candle. This candle will filter and give the water down. Here the tap is there. They'll use this tap and take water and drink. Nowadays in modern days many houses has this RO water system. RO water. Many houses having this RO water. This straight away if we give a connection to the tap, it will take water, it will filter, it will clean it and water. Many houses having like this system nowadays. The next topic, saving water. How we can save water? Simply when you go up and down, when the water is leaking, just seeing and you leave it and go up. No, we have to try to close the tap tightly. Or we have to play with the water? No. So how all we can save water? Just we'll see. When you fill water, you have to see this much water can I drink. Yes, how much water you can drink, only that much you have to fill it and you have to drink. While washing hand, just thinking something and washing? No. Or while brushing, water will flow from the tap and just you will be brushing, the water will go out. Without closing the tap, you will be brushing. We should not do that also. And how we all are wasting water? When you bath in the shower. When you bath in the shower, we don't know how much water is going off. Just we'll put shower, we'll stand there. That also we should not do. We should think, we should not waste water, and we have to save each drop of water. Now just for few points we'll see how we have to save water. Saving water. Take water as much as you can drink, as much as you can drink, as much as you can drink. Turn off the tap after you use. Turn off the tap. You have to turn off the tap after you use. Take a short bath. Take a short bath. Why you have to take short bath? If you take long bath, more water will be wasted. So if we keep this one, we can save water. Every drop of water is must to be saved. Every drop of water we have to save every day. This is our lesson. Again 4 topics I will tell you. Uses of water. Where do we get water from? Water in our home. Saving water. And now we'll see in our home how all we are wasting the water. Now see children, how the boy is drinking water. It is correct? No, yes. See, more water is wasting down. Only few water he is drinking from the tap, but more water is wasting. So we should not drink water opening the tap and with the hand. We have to use any bottle or a glass and fill and drink. The next picture, see, the girl is brushing but water is flowing out. Water is dropping out. This also we should not do in our house. We have to be careful. We should not waste water. We have to save each drop of water. Now say true or false. Children, now I am going to ask questions. You have to think the lessons what I taught and tell me true or false. Think. Plants need water to grow. Plants need water to grow. True or false?
True.
It's true. Very good. True. What is the spelling for true?
True.
T-R-U-E. True. Next question. Tap is the main source of water. Tap is the main source of water. Tap is the main source of water. True or false? False. Which is the main source of water?
Rain.
False. F-A-L-S-E. Yes, see what's the spelling for falls? F-A-L-S-E, falls. The third one, a river is smaller than the ocean. The river is smaller than the ocean. True or false?
True.
True. Yes, ocean is a big, but river is a small. True spelling? T-R-U-E. True. The next, water found under the ground. Water found under the ground is called waterfalls. Under the ground, the waterfalls. True or false?
False.
False. Very good. False. Waterfalls comes high of the mountain, but underground water, what we call? It's a well. But it is, what's the answer? True or false? It's a false. We must boil or filter water before drinking it. True or false?
True, miss.
It's true? Yes, it's true. Before we drink, we have to boil or filter the water. Because if we are not filter or boil, it's not clean. Once again, plants need water to drink. What's the answer? True. Tap is the main source of water. False. A river is smaller than a ocean. True. Water found under the ground is called a waterfalls. False. We must boil or filter water before drinking it. True. The next we learn the answer the following. Now the answer the following. Write 2 uses of water. We studied many uses of water. Now the question is, only they are asking you to write 2 uses of water. What are the 2 uses of water? Main thing, to drink and to cook. Main thing is to drink and to cook. We need water to drink and to cook. Got it? Write 2 uses of water. We need water to drink and to cook. To drink and cook. Next question. How is a waterfall formed? How is a waterfall formed? How is waterfall formed? We learn now the waterfalls, about the waterfalls. Okay, good. When water falls from a great height. When water falls from a great height, a waterfall is formed. Once again, when water falls from a great height, a waterfall is formed. The next question, why cannot we drink river water? Why cannot we drink river water? What is the answer? We studied many things. We have to boil, we have to filter everything. Now tell me, why we cannot drink the river water? We cannot drink river water because it is not clean. Why we cannot drink river water? Because it is not clean. Once again, we cannot drink river water. We cannot drink river water because it is not clean. One more time. We'll read. Then we go to the next. Write 2 uses of water. 2 uses of water, to drink and to cook. To drink spelling D-R-I-N-K, drink. Cook, C-O-O-K, cook. How is waterfalls formed? When water falls from a great height, a waterfall is formed. Why cannot we drink river water? Why cannot we drink river water? We cannot drink river water because it is not clean. Okay, children. Now, I think you understand all the things what I have taught in this. The question answers I taught and the true or false everything. And we give the notes in the WhatsApp. And daily try to learn at least 1 or 2 topics and write it in the note and study. Any doubt you can call me and ask. Children, now we are going to finish this class. Stay at home and study. Thank you.